Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be testing out these Cricut Infusible Ink freehand markers. We are going to be testing them out on regular copy paper as well as sublimation paper. So if you want to see if they work or not, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut, sublimation, and sewing videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump into this video. I got these on Amazon. They come in a 5-pack and they are 5 for around $7.49. They come with black, red, blue, green, and yellow. They had some other prettier colors, but the other colors were a bit more pricier, so I chose these just because I'm trying them out and I wanted to see how well they worked without spending a ton. And these markers are made to free draw, so you can see you can draw anything you want. The only downside is that you cannot write, because if you write, you would have to write backwards, because whatever you're drawing needs to be mirrored so that when you flip it over, it's the right side. So writing would be kind of hard because you would have to write backwards or mirrored so that when you flip it over, it would be correct. So let's open these up to kind of just see how they are. So this is how the point looks. It's a little chunky. The green, the blue, red. Come on. I don't know if I showed yellow. So now I'm gonna move you to the overhead camera and we're just gonna freehand some random things. And then we're going to press it onto this. I'm just gonna use this cheap Dollar Tree 100% polyester fabric. We're going to test it out again on the sublimation paper as well as the copy paper to see if there's any difference. The back of the packaging does say to do it onto laser copy paper. So we're just going to experiment and see what works with it and what doesn't. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a flower, see how smooth they draw. It feels a little bit stiff. Definitely feels a little bit different than like a regular marker. I'm not an artist, y'all. Not an artist at all. So this red one feels regular. I think maybe the blue one just at first felt a little off. This would be cute if these really do work. These would be good for like Father's Day and Mother's Day gifts, like getting your kids to draw something for, you know, grandpa, grandma. Don't be judging my drawing skills, y'all. I don't know how to draw at all. I feel like the yellow felt the least wet when you're drawing. Okay, so this is our sublimation paper. Now this is just copy paper. I'm gonna do half of this as well. Okay. So now I have both finished. You can kind of tell that this is the sublimation paper. I feel like it's a little more vibrant right now than the copy paper. Everything dried much faster in the copy paper because, you know, it's lighter than the sublimation paper. I feel like there's still some parts that are wet on the sublimation paper, but that's okay. We're gonna put those to the side for now. We're gonna prep our fabric like we normally would. We're gonna take our lint roller and we're just going to lint roll it. I'm not gonna worry about pre-pressing it or anything because this is just a test. So I'm gonna put my ace up here, and I'm just gonna take my heat tape and I'm going to tape it down. Take my paper and I'm gonna put it down here. Just gonna take some butcher paper and I'm putting it underneath, and we're gonna move to our heat press. So I'm just gonna put it down. I'm gonna take some more butcher paper and put this on top. And I'm just gonna press at the normal 385 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, moment of truth. So this is our ace up and this is our printer paper. So I'm just gonna take the printer paper off first. This is how it looks. It still has a good amount of ink on the paper, I feel like. Let's try the ace up. Ooh, that looks good. The ace up looks more vibrant. Still both look like there's still a decent amount of marker on there, but I feel like the sublimation paper one just looks more vibrant. Like all the colors look more vibrant. You can see the yellow looks more vibrant, the red looks more vibrant, so does the green. So I would say if you're going to use it, use some sublimation paper to do it. But I think it's a pretty cool idea to be able to draw, have your kids draw, and then press it onto whatever fabric or substrate that you would like to. So that's going to be it for this video. I'm actually pretty impressed with these. Again, I would say make sure you use some sublimation paper. Definitely work better than the printer paper in my opinion. But again, this will be great for Father's Day gifts, Mother's Day gifts. Your kids can draw and you can put it on a mug or a shirt or a tote bag or something like that. Or even if you make like a quilt and you have some of the squares be some of your kids drawing for like the grandparents, that would be really, really cute. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have tried these below and what you've made with them. Also, let me know if you want me to test these out for putting on mugs, like different substrates that you would like me to test them out with. That would be really, really fun. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate you guys. Be on the lookout. Big things are coming. Don't forget to check out my Creative Fabrica classes. I'll have them linked down below. I have 2 classes, one on sublimation with HTV and another one on a sub and sew stocking. I do have some things of my own coming up, as well as some Creative Fabrica classes coming up as well. So be on the lookout. Big things are coming. I will be starting a membership soon. And just really pouring into you guys. So again, thank you for supporting me, and I'll see you in my next video.